What makes a great consulting and managed service provider? Available resources and technical expertise, ready and available for its clients, right? Prism Network Solutions took it a step further by adding value to our services, such as infrastructure as a service, platforms as a service, software as a service, and data center as a service. In order to meet the demands of our clients, whether it's network design, network security, implementation, network refresh, or data storage, this is our goal. Our Cisco certified professionals in CCIE, CCNP, CCSP, CCDP, CCDA, and CCNA are well equipped in handling your IT business needs, such as cloud services, cloud security engineering, network design, multi-factor authentication services for applications, WinLogon, network refresh, data storage, 24/7 network monitoring, and project management. We also procure and install network equipment for clients, whether on-site or in their data center. Now, isn't that the perfect consulting and managed service provider? I think it is. Whatever the scope or size of your project or staffing needs, our 93 plus years collective industry experience are at your disposal to add value. Contact us today for more details.